The state of Ohio is without liability in the deadly State Fair fireball accident, but it is not without blame. That's what the victims of that tragic accident last summer are saying about the state's claim that it's been exonerated. Good evening, everyone. I'm Colleen Marshall.
And I'm Mike Jackson. Just last week, the State Fair issued a news release claiming it had reached a settlement with the accident survivors, as well as the family of 18-year-old Tyler Jarrell, who was killed in the accident. But tonight, we're getting a very different story.
As Katie Farrell explains, by law, the state exempts itself from any claim of negligence, so the victims cannot hold the state accountable in a court of law.
That's right, Colleen. You know, the state protects itself from lawsuits. But as I learned from Tyler Jarrell's mother, that doesn't mean the victims and their families will ever believe that the state was not at fault. The state says it's reached a settlement. Tyler Jarrell's mother, Amber Duffield, says it's a slap in the face.
It's not an agreement, it's a law. And that law was hidden under the veil of trust, which the trust was broken July 26, 2017, and will never be the same.
Duffield says the state isn't taking any accountability for what happened.
That's intolerable to me. I mean, it's just unfathomable. It's infuriating.
Duffield's now determined to change the law and fix what she says is a broken system that allows the state to escape its legal responsibilities.
This is more of making people aware and educated on what our state is doing and not doing.
This permanent memorial now stands in front of Tyler's high school. She says it stands for his legacy.
It's a symbol of change that needs to be made.
And some changes are already coming to the ride industry because of the fireball accident. This week, I was the only news crew in New Orleans as the world's top industry experts push through new safety standards for a vote. It's now up to Ohio to decide whether or not to follow them. And I'm still waiting for an answer from the Ohio Department of Agriculture. Mike.
Alrighty, thanks, Katie. We'll continue to follow this story for you, as well as Tyler Jarrell's mother, as she pushes for change. Stay with NBC4 and NBC4i.com for updates.